Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the old Jeep again, and I'm going to be working on the door handles. These door handles, this one right here, when you shut the door, it goes in like that. It's supposed to stay out flush. Something's wrong with it. I've got a new door handle for the outside. Over here on the driver's side, this interior door handle, it don't hold tension on it, it just flops back and forth. So I have door handles for the outside and the inside. My door lock don't work very good. It locks fine, but it's a little, you hear that? It's a little tight unlocking it, but it's better than it was. I'm gonna see if I can't maybe lube that up on the inside and free that up, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're working on the inside and the outside door handles. All right, here's a new one I got from eBay. I think I give like 15 bucks for 2 of them. And they are size specific, so if you don't order a set, make sure you do order the correct size. So all this looks good. Got my tension back. So let's hook this thing back up. That's all it is, getting that out. 1 clip and 2 screws fall right on the ground. These also came from eBay. I believe I paid $35 for a set of 2. They're all metal. And melted one up. I hadn't actually taken one out of the package all the way. That looks absolutely nice. What I'm noticing about these clips, I've read reviews of people in the past said that's bad about breaking. These feel almost rubberized, which I think is a good thing. So they're not brittle, is what I'm saying. So I want to slap this puppy in and see how well it works. That looks very nice. $35. Man, that's going to go right along with that commando green paint job and look good. I've got to get my rod hooked back up. All right guys, something I need to make note of. This little clip right here, I've got it in upside down. I got to take it out and put it in from the top side because it won't work like it is. And there's something I always say, and this is Chinese part, but I always say is they always get it close, but they never get it right. And that's just another case of it. The form factor and all that stuff is right. They assembled it wrong. So anyway, let me see if I can pop this out. And I hope these little clips like this right here, I hope they hold up. All right guys, I got an update. I ended up transplanting my clip out of the old handle and doing away with this one. This slot right here is a little too small and needed to be opened up a little bit bigger. This one's a bigger clip and I ended up putting it in and it works great. So maybe if you had to change yours, that clip will still be in your old handle, because I do not recommend this one right here. I liked it to start with, but that channel right there is just too narrow. Not good at all. So get rid of that. Now I'm going to work on this door lock, see if I can smooth it up a little bit. All right guys, one little spray of WD-40 down in that channel right there. It's even spring loaded again. So that's working perfectly. So now I'm going to put it back in. We'll assemble the door panel and we'll try this door. Alright, I just slid my locking pin back down in there to hold the lock in place. And all we've got to do now is hook up this little rod and I'll try it out. Alright, here's how well that one little shot of WD-40 got this lock working. This is the direction I had trouble with a while ago. It comes back automatically. Lock, unlock. So that's great. I hadn't been locking my doors because it's been such a headache. Outside door handle works great. Let's check the inside one. Everything's working good. So that door's done. Time to go back in with the door panel. The only problem I can see that I'll have in the future is this little clip right here. It's not in great shape, but it's been like that ever since I've had this Jeep. The door wouldn't open when I first got it, and this clip wasn't tight enough. It wouldn't push the lever back further enough to open the door. So I monkeyed with it and got it to where it would work, and it's been holding up ever since. But that's the only thing I can see that might give me trouble in the future, and if it does, I'll have to replace this whole locking assembly to get that one little clip, unless I could rig something up, and you better bet I would try to rig something up. Filled a little bit of scratch my paint just a little bit when that bolt started turning. So one thing I like about this paint right here, you shake it up real good, if you get a little scratch on it, you can fog it right back in and you can't tell it. It looks great. So that right there is a little bit wet, but it will dry in and you won't be able to tell that I've done that. So people talking about painting these dashes, it's not a problem. The dash on this Jeep looks to me, tremendous. It looks great. I don't know if the video does it justice. Airbag cover is not perfect. It's got some blemishes in it from where I bought it from eBay, but it looks very good. So the door panel looks good. They was so terrible when I first got this Jeep. The dash was awful. So, and you can just keep your can of this around, and if you get a scratch right here, a lot of times I'll kick this down here over and over getting in. Just fog it in. If it scratches off, just fog it in. It's not a big deal. And it's not like it's something you have to do every week. It's something you'll do periodically. If you, I've had this dash, these panels off this dash a lot, and I had scratched on these up. Right here is where I bumped it the other day. I don't know if you can see that, but all you got to do is that's gone, and it's gone forever. So you can keep that thing touched up, and unless I bump it again with something hard like a screwdriver or dropping this down and the screws hitting on it, that's what's happened last time. It don't just scratch off. I mean, it's tough. Oh, I tell you what, I've still got this airbag cover in here that I replaced. Let's just do a durability test on it real quick. This thing has got some scratches on it where I laid it on the concrete and I drug it around, so that's why those are there. That was saying scratches in anything. So I'm going to mess with this until I do scratch it, but I'm going to just try some different things to start with. So here's my key. Okay, it did come off, but I mean, you could hear it. And if you want to fix that, all you got to do is blend it away. Now I'm wasting my paint. I love that paint, but that's how easy it is to repair some scratches. So it will scratch, but it's got to be something harder than it is. And if I dig on it with a screwdriver, something's going to scratch easier. But you're not going to be doing that in your car. You're going to be rubbing on it with Armor All or your favorite UV dash protectant, and this stuff will take it fine, just like vinyl dash will. So anyway, I was just going to show y'all that. Yes, it'll scratch. Is it as tough as factory? No, it's not. Does it look as good as factory? Yes, it does. Take care of the inside of your car. Don't be going around with your keys doing like me, scratching on it. So anyway, if you take care of it, you can keep you a can of this around in case you do have a mishap. Fix you right back up. These half doors, I actually like them. My zippers always jingled and jangled all the time, so I broke those off with some side cutters, and I tied me some braided, I don't know, paracord. Anyway, so they don't rattle at all anymore. It made it a lot more quiet. So that's just another mod I didn't show y'all just because it really wasn't worthy of making a video about. All right, that door's done. Looking mighty fine, if you ask me. Door handle looks better than anything else on the door. I got a little WD on it. Yes, sir. Looking good. Proud to have that done. Very satisfied. It was an easy job. Everything solid as a rock. That's the way I like it. I need to wash this nasty thing. Well, y'all, that's going to wrap up this video. I just wanted to show y'all that. I didn't know how big of a job or how small of a job it was going to be, so there you have it. If you need to change your door handles, I highly recommend both of these. I got them on eBay. I just googled TJ door handles, interior and the outside ones, and like I said, the only problem that I had, I don't like the clips that goes on that the bar clips into. I just don't like it. It's not good, and I absolutely believe it would pop out within a couple of openings, and then you're not going to be able to get in your Jeep with that door handle. So most likely, if you got your original door handles, you can swap the clips out like I did. Nope, I don't believe anybody else's Jeep has been abused any worse than this one has. They may be, but anyway, that was something I was able to scavenge off the old parts. So that's going to wrap up this video. I hope y'all liked it. If you did, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And y'all come back next week and we'll see what we got going then. Thanks again.